Hey, welcome back to the last video of our Figma course. In case in the entire process you got somewhere confused about the things, make sure you do the comment. I'll try to reply you. And I really love your comments. So make sure you reply. Your comments. I think the internet issues just kicked in. It's not loading the extension or probably some technical issues maybe. One thing that I noticed is if I just click on this deb mode, it says to use deb mode in this file, move it to a paid team. It was free, but now it's not. I can't show you that. Let me show you a few other things so that um you get something from this video, and I can close this as a crash course. And if I get enough response, I'll add some more videos. The point of making this course is to make you feel comfortable with Figma. As a front-end developer, we need to do a lot of things in Figma. Sometimes we need to draw our own idea, our own concepts. Sometimes for better collaboration with the design team, if I have the knowledge, I'll be able to ask good questions to my teammates. um, we will be able to do a great collaboration. If a client gives me the file, I already know how to get the image, how this things is working and how it is designed. I can work with the client, I can extract the colors, I can extract the informations. And that is what at the end of the day my goal was. So just try to practice Figma a little bit, and once you get it, you'll be very friendly with Figma, and you'll enjoy the process a lot. We left some like advanced concepts like prototyping, masking, and then we left this page concept that you are able to take multiple pages. Once you click on plus, you can take multiple pages, just like our notebooks. We have assets, we have layers. These are the layers. And see, then got loaded the plugin. We can just maybe select our frame, or maybe we can just which one, maybe this one as well. ah let's zoom it. One thing I really don't like by feather icons is if I just try to add some icons, and then if I just select one, I can just extract the pieces. No, I don't want that. I particularly have to click on the name, and then I move like this. I really don't want to do this. I don't know why it is like this. If you want to get rid of this kind of a situation, just uh sorry. If you get rid of this kind of situation, just do one thing. Click on ungroup, right click and ungroup. Now again click on group selection. Now you are allowed to just move your purse like this, and we are allowed to change the colors the way we like. It's up to us. So what I'm saying is practice, play, experience, make something. Even if it's a simple hero section. Go to dribble.com, take inspiration and do some designs, and that will help you to cover a lot of your knowledge. One last thing before I end up this call, video, that is oh, I already showed you. You can group things. What do I mean by that? You can select, and you can again select this one. How do I select multiple items? Click Control and hold it and select on multiple items. Oh, sorry, my bad. Not Control, Shift, and you can select multiple items. Once you shift it, you can just right click and group. Now, once you select one, sorry, my bad. You see these icons. These are out of my frames. Even though these are on displaying on top of my frame, this page, these are technically outside of my frame. You see, if I select this, and give it a color, I get to see this. So these are technically outside of my frames. What I can do is I can just take it and press it here. Now it's inside our frame. Now we can group this. If something is outside of our page, we cannot group it. This is requirement. Now we can group it. Now we can, if I just select circle, entire thing will be selected. If I also want to group it with this one, shift and this one, and then group selection. Now you can move like this. So play, learn, experience, build, feel, and tell your client and boss, yes, I know Figma. Thank you so much throughout for staying throughout the journey. At least give one comment or maybe one like. It motivates me a lot. Thank you so much for being here. We will definitely meet in one another video maybe. And thank you so much. And I'm pretty sure I will be catching you up in some other videos. Bye bye.